Newly rebooted, the now Nazified Toulon sends his army of killer toys after all those he deems inferior. And grab a puppet of popcorn and enjoy it while it lasts, because this might get striked off YouTube. It's time to watch people die. I wouldn't plan too far ahead, ladies. With no furnace in sight, this little Nazi has to improvise.
Your big plans of genocide and world domination didn't work. And now your symbols are nothing more than souvenirs of your failure and our survival.
Sex? In this PG Christian movie? Blade thinks not.
What the fuck?
Time for your bloody golden shower. If you keep drinking like you've been, you're gonna end up spilling your guts all over the hotel room, man. This is what would have happened if Nancy kept sleeping in that Freddy-infested bathtub. Man, things have gotten really out of hand since the state's banned abortion. And now for another kill involving a black woman and a baby.
Hurry, love.
You shouldn't try to run, now you're all fair game.
Kid, come on. Come on. We gotta go get. Stay behind the color man. Hold on to my silk tight. Kid.
Cheap foreign toys. Now for Pinhead to disarm a cop. And now time for this big baby to throw a tantrum.
It's Junior Führer.
Oh look, America and Germany are working together. You've gassed your last Bad Pinhead, down boy. Blade, we got a live one in here. Just jump, you got this. I'm only showcasing this body so I can show you the clown frog. Now for the weirdest death. I can confirm at least one kill here. Time to deactivate those deadly dollies.
Bitch ass puppet.
Howie!
Bad news, Eddie. Zomdre Toulon never takes a day off. In the end, a total of 47 people died in 2018's Puppet Master The Littlest Reich. And counting all the bodies, along with Human Andre and the main character's brother who died before the movie began, that brings the total number up to 62. The Bronze Case Knife for worst skill goes to the guy who was seemingly killed by having his ankle slashed. Awarding corpses or off-screen kills are too easy. And the golden frank for best kill goes to Moneybags with Bra. Be sure to tell us your favorite kill down in the comments below. And while you're down there, have you seen the movie? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you back here again with more dead people. Have a nice day.
Looking for more horror fun?
You're goddamn right.
Then check out the VHS comic book series, a parody of the horror genre that follows the lives of 3 teens as they fight to survive a horror movie, where every day is loaded with blood, boobs, and buds. The first 2 issues can be found in the description below.
I was obsessed with the